Students, welcome to Sheikh Mathematics classes. Today we consider some simple problems but important. So this problem given, simplify 3n 1 by 4 divided by 1n 1 by 4 minus 0.5 2n 1 into 2n 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 1 by 6 bar. This one given divided by 4 into 1 by 12. And option given 245, 333, 234, 299 and none of this. These options are given. Now we want to solve this problem. Now solution is start. So we write this. If we cancelling this will be 1 by 3. This is 12, 13. 13 by 4 divided by this is 4 1 5 5 by 4 and 0.5 means 1 by 2. This is 2 2s are 4 5 5 by 2 and this one LCM is 12 LCM and this is 4. First we solve this because by BODMAS rule in this rule V is first. This is bar first we remove. This is 4 3 and this is 2. 3 minus 2 we get this one. Now this 3 becomes in numerator. We write in first 13 by 4 divided by 5 by 4 1 by 2 5 by 2 1 by 12. This one. This is 3 remains same. 13 by 4 also same divided by 5 by 4 1 by 2. This LCM is 12 and 12 this is 30. 2 6 are 12 and this is 1. We get this one and this is 3 13 by 4 divided by this is 29 by 24 and this one 3 13 by 4 divided by and this one 24 is LCM 24, this 4 is 6 time, then 30 minus 29 we get this and this will be 3 13 by 4 divided by this is 30 minus 29 is 1 by 24 and this one 13 by 4 if we remove this then this is 24 and this one 6 this is 18 13 into 18 then this is 234. This is the answer. 13 into 18 234. So option C, this is our option. Very easy solution, just using BODMAS rule. First bar we remove, next bracket, first bracket, second bracket, third bracket we solve in this way. Next division, ultimately we get our answer. To consider another problem, 8 to the power 12 16 whole square of 32 to the power 5 into 256 equal to 2 to the power question mark given. Now which one is the correct option? In place of question mark we have to find 17 18 19 20 15 these are given. Now we have to find this result. Now solution 8 I rewriting this 16 whole square of 32 to the power 3 into 256 2 to the power question mark. So this implies this is 2 cube 12 2 to the power 4 whole square 2 to the power 5 whole cube, and this is 16 means this root over 256 means 16, and this implies 2 to the power 36 divided by 2 to the power 8 of 2 to the power 15 into 2 to the power 4. This is 2 to the power question mark. This one given. Now by BODMAS rule, BODMAS rule, this here bar not given, B bracket off. First we consider off, bracket also not given. So this equal to, this implies 2 to the power 36, this and this we get 2 to the power 23 into 2 to the power 4 2 to the power question mark, and this divided by this, if we using this 2 to the power 36 by 2 to the power 23 into 2 to the power 4, this is question mark, and this is we get 2 to the power 13 into 2 to the power 4 2 to the power question mark, and base same power will be at 2 to the power 13 plus 4 17 2 to the power question mark, and question mark equal to 17. This is our answer. Answer is 17. So option A is the answer. Now we consider another problem. Root over question mark divided by 8 into 31 equal to 127.5 minus 3.5. The options given, these are the options given. Now which one is the correct option? We have to find the result. Now solution, root over question mark given divided by 8 into 31 equal to 127.5 minus 3.5. So this implies root over question mark by 8 into 31, and if we subtract this is 0 120, we get this, and this implies this is question mark equal to 120 into 1, not 120, 124. This is 7 minus 3 is 4. This is 124 into 8 by 31. We get this. Now if we multiplying by 4, we get this one. This is root over question mark equal to 32, and if we squaring both sides, then root over will be cancelled. This is 32 square. So question mark equal to 1024. This is the answer. 1024 is our answer. So dear students, these are easy problem. If you are enjoying with this type of problem, then please like this video, and if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.